Hey, this is Wade. I have some new scenery. I'm out in Moab, Utah. It's a beautiful, quaint little town. I'm surrounded by some red rocks that are so awesome. I'm excited to explore them. I'm here to bike the White Rim Trail, which is a 100-mile loop in Canyonlands National Park. I'm gonna be meeting up with 10 people, only a few of which I've actually met before, so I'm looking forward to making some new friends, seeing some new sights. I've really never explored Utah much, only driven through it. But first I gotta pick up my bike, so I'm here at the rental shop. Let's check it out. Testing out the rental, my trusty steed for the week. Last night was day 0. We were just camping out at the trailhead. So today's the official start of the White Rim Trail. We're going just under 30 miles. The first 10 or so is on this road, so we got some car traffic. We'll be to the start of the trail soon and we'll get to see more of these beautiful canyons all around us. Really looking forward to it. Have some elevation to get acclimated to first though. Buckle up indeed. Incredible. On the road after lunch at Muscle Man Arch. It'll do for the night. We made it. Wow. Day 2, how we feeling?
Great, energized.
Anybody's bums as sore as mine? Yeah.
Nope.
All right, well, let's hit it. okay?
Doing all right.
That's what we have to climb. Cover your ears, Adam. Still looming up there in the distance. A little ways to go. I'm here to document Adam's victorious climb. No quit in him. Made it, Adam. Woo. Is the view worth it, Adam, or no?
By himself.
All right, it's day 3. We're ready to get started. We're over halfway done, which is awesome. All that elevation we climbed at the end of yesterday, we're gonna get to go right down today on the other side of this ridge. So really looking forward to the downhill. But as I was packing up, I had a little surprise this morning. I had my tent bag draped over this tree that my tent was next to, and I was dropping my tent poles next to it. And I realized a little snake was right where I was dropping my tent poles. Somebody in our group is terrified of snakes, and in fact, she's probably going to be pretty upset when she sees this part of the video. So I've told everybody else in the group kind of one by one, and they've all taken a look at it. One guy, Kurt, in our group thinks it's a baby rattlesnake, which is terrifying, but I just kind of slowly grab my tent poles and my tent back out of there, keeping an eye on it the whole time, and it hasn't moved at all yet. So I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful that I saw it first before it saw me and, you know, used its rattler on me, or worse, tried to bite me. But we're getting ready to get started, and it should be a good day. Let's have some fun. Thanks, Paul. Slow going so far because there's been so many technical spots for the truck. We've had to move rocks and direct it, but now we're cruising, and check out these views. Woo-hoo! Look at Adam trucking along like he never had cramps yesterday. What a star. What cramps? Is that what you said?
White cramp.
Or butt cramps. We're about to check out this slot canyon before lunch, this time on foot. Should be a nice break from the bike, and it looks pretty awesome.
We're all going down.
was pretty cool. Definitely worth the detour. So beautiful.
Welcome to my dream. It's good to see you again. We can kick back now. The show has reached the end. Turn out the lights. It's late in the hour. Everything you love has all come home. Farewell for now, my friend. I'll see you around again. Farewell for now, my friend. I'll see you around again. Believe in me, we're all alive together.
Last night we got to take a dip in the river, which felt incredible. Get all the dirt that was caked on us off, and just felt so refreshing on the muscles after 3 days of biking. It was amazing. And then we also had a nice time, kind of our last chance as a whole group together, because we're going to go our separate ways once we get to the top. Just kind of reminiscing and recapping our highlights of the trip and the ups and downs, and it was really special. Yeah, just great to the bonds we made together and the friendships, and celebrating and remembering that. I think those are going to be the things that stick with most of us the most. It's hard to believe that today is our last day, and on our first day we did a big descent into the canyon, which you know what that means. Today we got a lot of climbing to do. You can see in the distance, maybe you can see the road cutting up there. We don't have to get to the tippy top up there, thank God, but pretty high elevation. Along that ridge up there somewhere is where we'll be mounting the top of this thing. So we got a lot of climbing to get to. Should be fun. Climbing, we have to go back down before we go back up. That's torture. At least the downhill's easy and fun. And now we gotta head up. How we doing, Cody?
Doing good. Behind it.
Got it, boys. Last leg. Look how far we
we've come. We did it. Beer in the hot tub.
Beer in the hot tub.
Who's ready for a Bud Light lunch?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,